Are you eyeing a classic car? It's a big investment, and you probably want to check its history before buying. Is there a Carfax for classic cars? Let's try to decode a classic VIN on Carfax. And see? It rejects because Carfax only supports for vehicles from 1981 and above. Let's try to decode the same VIN with Classic Decoder. Wow, it decodes successfully. Access auction or sales history with photos, title records, ownership history, accident and damage records, theft reports, mileage records, lien and loan records. Verify specifications including the engine, transmission, factory paint colors, and more with build sheet. And Classic Decoder even provide a digital garage for instant specs viewing. Upload documents and photos to track your restoration journey and showcase your entire collection. Carfax doesn't work for classic vehicles, but Classic Decoder does. Use the discount link in the description and get classic vehicle history reports and build sheets. Don't take our word for it. Here's what real users say. Classic Decoder is also available on the App Store and Google Play. Classic Decoder, the Carfax for classic cars.